My name is Ashok Kumar Kumawat at BPS Shikshan Sansthan, and today I am going to solve some of the questions of exercise 1.3. Now in a previous video I have solved some examples before exercise 1.3 and I have given you homework about some questions. Now I have chosen some questions from exercise 1.3 which might be important to you by concept or by your understanding, right? So let us discuss on question number 2. You know that हमें given है 1/7 equals to 142857 bar. Can you predict what the decimal expansions of 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, 5/7 and 6/7, right? इसमें जो क्वेश्चन है और जो ऐड था वो था विदाउट परफॉर्मिंग द एक्चुअल डिवीजन. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन मैंने पूरा नहीं लिखा है, आपकी बुक में आप पूरा लिखा है, आप देखो उसको. सो वी डू नॉट नीड टू परफॉर्म द एक्चुअल डिवीजन. विदाउट परफॉर्मिंग द डिवीजन वी नीड टू टेल और वी आर आस्क्ड टू टेल दैट what is the decimal expansion of these given rational numbers if 1/7 is this, right? So हमें क्या करना है यहाँ पर, हमें सिंपली 7/1 तो हम कर ही सकते हैं और अदर डिवीजन हमें परफॉर्म नहीं करना है, राइट? तो देखो 7/1 जब अपन करते हैं तो 0.10 यहाँ 1 आएगा, देन 3 रिमेनिंग 0 28, then 2 14, then 6 0 7 8 is 56, then 4 7 5 35, then we get here 5 0 7 7 49, then 1 remains and it becomes 1, then 1 comes back, right? तो यहां से क्या होगा, द रिपीटिशन ऑफ दीज नंबर्स एंड सेम सीक्वेंस कंटिन्यूज ऑन एंड ऑन, राइट? चलिए अब ये हमें पता है, तो बाय लुकिंग एट दिस डिवीजन we can predict that what 2/7 is going to be, what 3/7 is going to be, and 4/7 and likewise 5/7 and 6/7, right? चलिए 6/7 यानी हम 7 लिखेंगे और यहाँ पे 0 लिखेंगे, तो 60 देखो कहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं. 60 में जब डिवाइड करेंगे अपन तो पहले तो पॉइंट लगाएंगे, राइट? एंड आफ्टर दैट ये आ रहा है 7 8 is 56. So the values will be repeated after 8 5 7 and 1 4 2. This sequence of digits will be repeated after and after. Now look at the second question. 7 is divided into 3, तो हम लिखेंगे इसको 30, and because we have written 0 then we have to put a point here, right? So 30 देखो यहाँ पे आ रहा है, 30 divide goes 4 times and then 4 के आगे लिखो 2 8 5 7 1, then 4 comes again. So this set of values, this set of digits is going to be repeated after and after. Next question is 4/7. तो 7 divided by 4, तो 40 देखो कहाँ पे है, 5 टाइम्स जाएगा 0.5, राइट? So 5 7 1 4 2 8 5, then 5 is repeated, then this set of digit is going to be repeated. Likewise, now you can know that 7 what result can we get by 7 divided into 5, right? And you can also know that what result is going to come when you divide 7 into 6. So these two you have to perform at yourself. Okay, so this is our question number 2. Next question is express the following in the form of p by q where p and q are integers. So there are three values. These two type of questions I have performed, I have solved in examples. So I do this third question. Okay. So this question is third question. We have let 0.001 equals to x or x equals to 0.001, right? So there are, we can write it like this. Okay, we have to write it like this way. Let x equals to 0.001, then 001, then 001, 001, and the value 001 is repeated again and again, right? This is the right question. Alright, now there are 3 digits after the decimal point, so we need to multiply it by 100. So by multiplying by 1000 on both sides, 3 digits are here, so we need to multiply by 1000, not 100. Okay, so this becomes 1000x and this point is replaced at here. So this value becomes 1.001, then 001, 001. Now what we have to do, we need to write this number as a form of addition of this number and some other number. और वो कैसे करेंगे हम इस नंबर में से ये वैल्यू को हम माइनस कर देंगे. So it becomes 001, 001 and 001. So it is this, sorry, it is 1.000000. Okay, so 1000x equals to, we can write 1 plus this number 0.001, 001 and 001. Now this value is equals to x, so we can write 1000x equals to 1 plus x, and x, if we transpose this x this side, then it becomes 999x, that is 1000 minus x, 1000x minus x equals to 1. Now x equals to 1 upon 999, so that is our form of p by q, and we have represented this digits in form of p by q. So this is going to be your method, and you have to solve these two questions as your homework. Now moving on to next fourth question, express 0.999 and so on in the form of p by q. Are you surprised by your answer? And question आगे भी है, share this video teacher and discuss it with your teachers, ऐसा कुछ लिखा हुआ है बुक में. तो देखो इसको हम कैसे परफॉर्म करते हैं और ये इसके रिजल्ट क्या आते हैं, ठीक है, किस रिजल्ट से हम इतना सरप्राइज हो रहे हैं. सो लेट x equals to 0.9999 equals to 0.9 bar. So only one digit is repeating, then we multiplying by 10 on both sides. So it becomes 10x equals to, तो 10x को यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो दिस वैल्यू बिकम्स 9.999 एंड नाउ 10x equals to, we need to write it in the form of, in the addition of this value. कैसे लिखेंगे? 9.999 and subtracted by this value, so 0 0 0 0 and 9. Okay, so this value becomes 9 plus 0.999. I can write this value as x, so 10x equals to 9 plus x. Transposing this value this side, this becomes 9x equals to 9, x equals to 9 by 9 equals to x equals to 1. So this x equals to 1 is our surprise. Why this x equals to 1 is our surprise? और ये 1 कैसे आया, ये कोई फ्रैक्शन क्यों नहीं आया, ये हमारा क्वेश्चन है और ये हमें डिस्कस करना है. तो देखो इसका आंसर क्या हो सकता है, दैट 0.999 इज वेरी मच क्लोज टू 1, राइट. आपने वो ऐड देखे होंगे लाइफ बॉय के, डिटॉल के, जिनमें वो क्या करते हैं 99.9% कीटाणुओं को मारता है, राइट. सो वही बात यहाँ पर है, दैट 99.9% is equals to 100%, is very much close to 100%. So they call it 99.9%, right. So we get here 0.9999. It is very much close to 1. So that's why we get answer equals to 1. So in other words, I can say that this value equals to 1. So this was our surprise. I hope you get to know this. Moving on to next. What can the maximum number of digits be in the decimal expansion of 1 by 17? So it is a simple division. You need to solve this question in your homework. Last question है आज का. हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है. We need to identify √23, 225.3796 and some more numbers are given here, and we are asked to identify rational numbers and irrational numbers. So √23, what is 23? 23 is a prime number, so it is an irrational number. Keep it in mind, whenever we put root on a prime number, it always gives us an irrational number. Now 225 equals to 15. It is a rational number, it is not an irrational number. Next 0.3796. देखो यहाँ पर ना तो आपको इस तरह से लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है. So this value is terminating after 4 digit of decimal expansion, decimal point, right. So it is an rational number. Next 7.478478 and ... This means there are more values to come, more digits to come, irrespective of their sequence. मतलब बिना सीक्वेंस के हमारे पास आगे बहुत सारे डिजिट्स आने वाले हैं. So it is an irrational number. Last question is 1.01, then 001, then 0001. So what kind of number is this? It is an irrational number. And why? कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को ये होगा कि सर सीक्वेंस तो बन रहा है, रिपीटेशन तो बन रहा है, बट देयर इज अ प्रॉपर रिपीटेशन, देयर मस्ट बी अ प्रॉपर रिपीटेशन इन द there is 1, then 0, then 1 comes again by after 2 0, and then 1 comes after 3 0. So it is not a proper repetition. If this number is written by like this, it can be a rational number, but this cannot be a rational number. So the last example is irrational number. So these were some important questions or some different questions. By the help of these questions you can solve the complete exercise 1.3. Now exercise 1.3 is completed. You need to do your homework properly and submit it to submit it to your school WhatsApp group, right? So this is all about today's class. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.